Hi guys and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija's Nina Ivy reportedly is set to wed mystery man in February. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Nina Ivy is reportedly set to wed a mystery man next month. The cheery news was revealed by popular blogger Stella Dimokokorkus, also known as SDK, who also disclosed that her wedding introduction has already been conducted in the reality star's family house in Owerri on Thursday. The couple, who were alleged to have met in February 2019, would have their white wedding ceremony next month. SDK wrote, "Nina is marrying someone she met in 2019, and she already confirmed in a post before January that she found love in 2019. He is stuck on Nina and has been very supportive and decided to marry her after something groundbreaking happened between them. Both families have met and concluded, and his family loves Nina and cannot wait to take her home. The Asoebi color has been picked, but Nina is still coding things and will only let her close friends know soon. The identity of the man will be..." Guys, what do you think? You think you know this guy? What happened to our miracle guy? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notification when a new story drops. And also, subscribe to our channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Thank you.